Raju is a government school teacher. He came across a news report that actor Monu was gifting smartphones to government school students. News report. Actor Monu gives 100 smartphones to government school students. Raju searched on the internet about the actor's charity foundation and called up the number.
Hello, sir. Is this actor Monu's charity foundation?
Hi sir, this is his office's number. I am his personal secretary. How may I help you?
Sir, I am Raju, calling from government school. I saw the news of your charity to the students. Sir, we have 100 poor students in our school who cannot afford laptops or smartphones. Can you please help us, sir?
Oh yes, thank you so much for reaching out to us on behalf of poor children. I assure you of help.
That would be great, sir.
Okay, please share your address. We will send you 100 smartphones. However, you will have to pay a token registration charge of 50,000 rupees today itself for us to send the phones. The phones will be delivered in a week, and we will refund the registration fee after delivery.
Okay, sir. I will send you the registration fee right away. Please share your account details.
Raju transferred the funds, but he later came to know that no such mobile phones were donated to government school students. Raju realized that he had been duped by fraudsters under the pretext of charity.
So don't call on your random number based on a Google search without verification, and don't send money upfront without verifying the authenticity and genuineness of the claim. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.